What?
How fast does that go? 28?
I can't hear you.
How fast does that go?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I bought it about a year ago.
Okay.
Gets me around.
I'm looking to get one. I just don't know what to get.
Goes about 25 is the high speed on it. It's got 5 ranges, you know, pedal assist.
Okay.
So you can start for like one tops out at 6, the other one's like 12 or 15,
Okay.
20, 25. So yeah, it gets about you could probably ride it about 60 miles on a charge. They advertise it at 80, but
Yeah.
I always I cool it about 50, you know, to be safe.
Yeah.
But you could ride it like a regular bike. You know, I've turned it off, and you know everything works. It's got a 7-speed Shimano shifter, just like a regular mountain bike.
Nice.
So pretty cool.
Well, thank you.
Saves a lot of time and a lot of gas.
Yeah. Well, have a good day. Thanks.
Yeah, you know, I was worried that they were going to outlaw these, but because a lot of them are just basically dirt bikes, you know, and they don't even have pedals. So
Have a good one.
okay, have a good one.